from Like app, let me know in the comments, okay? I will start because it's so easy. First, the ingredients. You need borax, Elmer's glue. It's the best glue. I always use Elmer's. I tried other brands and it didn't work. Liquid soap, shaving foam, foaming soap, and lotion. And you know what? I'm using a mixer, but you don't have to use a mixer. If you don't have a mixer, don't worry about it. You just mix it with something, just get something to mix it, and that's it. I never used it to mix it before, but now that I have it, it's fun. It's a little bit different because the mixer starts jumping, you see. Anyway, well, and for the activator, it's 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax. So 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of borax. Okay? For the activator. This is half teaspoon, so 2 half teaspoons. And mix it very well on 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of borax solution, mix until you dissolve it, and let's make it. Okay, first the glue, of course. I don't even use measurements because it will work, it will always work, it's super easy. Sometimes people say, oh, it's hard to make slime, I can't make slime. It's not, you just need a good recipe. It's super fast and easy. And that's it, glue. First the glue, then add shaving foam. I'm making fluffy slime, so I like it super fluffy. You can add more if you want it super extra fluffy, or you can add less if you don't want it super fluffy. I love it when it's super fluffy. So shaving foam, glue, shaving foam, foaming soap, and mix. Okay, now what else? Liquid soap, a few pumps of liquid soap, and then lotion. I just add a little bit of lotion. If you add too much borax solution, you add more. So for now, you don't need to add lots of lotion. And let's start activating. The secret is to add the activator slowly. Don't add too much because it will get hard. And now I'm making a mess because it's spilling. Don't do that, slime. Behave. I'll give it some time to activate. Let me know in the comments where are you coming from. If you saw my videos on Like app, it's where I'm most active, or if you came from Instagram. And also guys, now I have Twitch. I play Roblox every day. I have Twitch, and my username on Twitch is lunatheunidog. Okay, and you can find me on all socials as lunatheunidog. And I have the slime shop Purple Bird Perfumes, Instagram account Slimy by Purple Bird Perfumes. It's easier if you look at the caption. I wrote everything in the caption. You'll find all my socials there. And don't forget, seriously, if you are from Like App, say hi. I love when I talk to my friends or play games with my friends from Like. I'm going live again today. So yeah, if you have Like it, if you don't have it, you are missing out. You'll find it in my caption. You'll find the link to join me on Like App, or also you can just search for Luna the Unidog on Like. I'm Luna the Unidog on TikTok. My slime account on TikTok is Purple Bird Perfumes. Yes, yeah, look at the captions. It's easier because there are lots of accounts, and yeah, I have all the links on my comment, on my caption. And leave a comment and talk to me. I reply to all comments. The slime is starting to form and the mixer starts jumping. Look, it's crazy. Let's see if it's sticky. Yes, it's a little bit sticky, but you know what? Let's mix it a little bit more and see if I need to add more borax because I don't want it to be hard. Okay, slow down. Yeah, I can mix with my hands now. I'll just mix it with my hands. Okay, I'm going to mix it. And I want to give a shout out to my friends Hype because you are amazing. You help me being an admin. To ROBLOX Queen, my new admin as well on Like. And who else? And Martin Fur, because you are so sweet, Mar. And yeah, and guys, if you order slime from my shop and it's getting a while to arrive, it's because of the coronavirus and everything. The post office is super slow. I can't really control the post office, so please be patient. Your slime will arrive and you'll love it. Okay, it's a little bit hard, so let's add lotion. But you know, it's so easy to make slime. Did you see? I made it in a minute. It's not hard at all. And I'm making a unicorn poop slime. Unicorn poop scented slime. I will show it how to do it. Okay? So, this one is one of my best sellers. It's amazing. It's so pretty. I do it the following way. I got 3 containers, small containers. Each one is 4 ounces. So, here we go, 4 ounces. And there is the bigger container to put your slime after mixing. So when you buy the unicorn poop slime from my shop, you get the 3 separate containers with 3 different colors, and you mix it yourself. I'll show how I do it. Okay? It will be strawberry, banana, and oops, this one is strawberry. Watermelon. I'm still asleep. Yeah. So, you know, my English is not my first language. I actually speak Portuguese. Oi, pessoal do Brasil. Então, yeah, my English is not very good, but you gotta use it to it. I hope my English will improve, you know, with time. So, okay, I want blue, yellow, and pink, because it's unicorn poop. Right? And now mix it. I'll start with the yellow. You know, when I make this slime, it's super pretty. When you mix, it's super pretty. But when you finish mixing it, the color is a little bit dull. So if you don't want to mix all of it, you can mix just a little bit or don't mix it. It's up to you. I think it's fun to mix. Let me know in the comments, what do you prefer? Would you keep it in separate containers or would you mix it? The sounds. This one is banana. Now the strawberry. I think the strawberry will be the pink and the blue will be the watermelon. And the scents will be like that, just like the charms. Strawberry, blueberry, no. Strawberry, watermelon, banana. And the unicorn charm goes as well. So after you mix it, it goes into this container. You can put the unicorn charm and it's so cute. It's adorable. I love this sleeping unicorn. So guys, yeah, let me talk about Roblox. I'm playing Roblox every day. I love Roblox. I use it to play Bee Swarm Simulator, but Bee Swarm Simulator, it takes a long time to do the quests, like forever. And then I started playing Adopt Me with my friends from Like, and it's so cool. It's so much fun because on Bee Swarm there is only space for like 6 people, and on Adopt Me you can get to play with lots of friends. So it's super cool. And I also started a Twitch server. So my name on Twitch is Luna the Unidog. My Roblox name Luna the Unicorn Dog. Because Luna the Unidog was taken. Yeah, unfortunately, Luna the Unidog was taken on Roblox. So yeah, it's Luna the Unicorn Dog, no capital letters, no numbers, just Luna the Unicorn Dog. My friends list is full right now, but we can still play together. And I play Adopt Me. I'm always in front of the nursery selling ice cream and hot dogs. So it's super easy to find me. My Roblox avatar has black hair and glasses, and in-game, when I play Adopt Me, it has pink hair, okay? Pink hair, and I'm wearing a blue costume now, blue wings, blue everything. If you came from YouTube, let me know, come to say hi. And also, I'm looking for a cow, looking for a giraffe, a alligator, flamingo, and a panda, black and white panda. I have the red panda, but that's not what I'm looking for. It's the black and white panda. So if you have any of these pets, you can send it to me. You gotta follow on Likee, okay? Or we can trade or negotiate. I don't know. Just go there, say hi, tell me you came from YouTube, and we get to be friends on Roblox. So guys, this is it. Now you just put the charms. Of course my hands are blue now. Something happens with the blue color, it's always like this. Okay, I write the scents later, but you got the how it works, right? So when you mix, it gets like a scent, like a fruit salad. It's super cool. It's amazing. It smells exactly like watermelon, exactly like strawberry. And when you mix it, it's awesome. So this one is the water, yeah, and the banana. And after you mix it, you put the unicorn charm. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions, if you like this design, if you tried the recipe. And don't forget to follow me on socials. All socials, I have all the links on my description. Okay? Love you guys. Bye now.